Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jihan. Today we'll be making easy and quick homemade chocolate chip muffins. And I will also show you how to make muffins and cake with the same batter. For this recipe, you will need 3 eggs, 1 cup vegetable oil, or you can use butter as well, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup milk, 2 cups self-rising flour, 1 cup chocolate chip, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Step 1. Take a bowl, add the egg and beat it well. Then add the oil and mix it well. Step 2. Add the sugar and mix it well. Step 3. After mixing well, add the baking powder and the flour. Add the first cup of the flour and mix it well, then add the second cup. Mix it well. Step 4. Add the milk and mix it well. Mix it well so there's no lumps left in the mixture. Step 5. Add half cup of the chocolate chip in the batter. At the same time, turn on your oven on 180 degrees. Step 6. Take a muffin tray, put the liners in and use a spoon to add the mixture in. As you can see, I'm using an ice cream spoon. Don't fill them up, fill them halfway, cause when they cook they'll rise. As you can see, I'm trying to fill them quickly, but I can't. But I'm trying my best. I hope you like it. Finally, last one. Step 7. Put some chocolate chips on top. If you want, you can also use white chocolate before putting it in the oven. As you can see, there are 4 hands moving, but I asked my sister to help me. Step 8. Now that you have some of the mixture left over, take a baking tray and add the mixture to bake another cake. Don't mind the mess. Don't forget to add some chocolate chip on top. Now, bake it in the oven for 20 minutes on 180 degrees or until golden. This is the final result. This is how it should look like, spongy and soft. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. See you all next time. Bye.